Hi everyone! Jackson's is having a mid-year watercolor sale. Yay! Open stock as well as sets. I'll leave links to everything below for those who just want to get straight to shopping. In this video, I'll go over the following points: current sales, highlights, extra info. For those that don't regularly shop on Jackson's, let me quickly list the brands currently on sale. Michael Harding, Jackson's own brand, Schminke Horadam, M. Graham, Isero, Holbein, Core, Gallo, Winsor&Newton, Old Holland, Roman Small, Blocks, Kuretake, Rembrandt, Art Spectrum, Magello, Lucas, Shinhan PWC, Sennelier, De La Rowney, Turner, Lutia, and Caliro. Now, allow me to highlight some things for you, just in case you don't yet know about them or hasn't been something that crossed your mind to look at. First up, Jackson's recently stocked these Holbein Shingansai watercolors, available in open stock and in a set of 14 or 28. Next up, for those who don't know, Jackson's does have the Gallo dot card on their website. I've already made 2 videos on these. One thing I noticed was that Meteorite Brown was not included in the dot card, but it just so happens that Jackson's still has it in stock, open stock. Next, if you like honey-based watercolors, check out Sennelier as they offer 21 milliliter tubes, which for some specific colors or pigments can be some of the cheapest options. Do make sure to make your own comparisons though. Moving on to Shinhan PWC. I haven't seen my viewers purchase much of Shinhan here on Jackson's, but I feel like it's because people tend to just go straight for brands like Roman Small or Schminke when they get to Jackson's. But I'm here to bring your attention to some colors that are, in my personal opinion, just as good as brands like Daniel Smith, but for a lot cheaper. So the colors I recommend are Ultramarine Deep PB29, Quinacridone Red PV19, Oxide of Chromium PG17, Lavender, Lilac, and Marine Blue PB15:3. Next up, Roman Small. For those who haven't heard or have forgotten, these are the 5 colors that Roman Small had officially announced to be discontinued. Purell Orange seems to be forever gone on Jackson's, but the remaining 4 are still available and currently in stock. So do take advantage of them before they're gone like Purell Orange. Now, let's talk about sets. As mentioned earlier, Holbein Shingansai sets are new on Jackson's. There are also these Holbein metal sets with the 2-well, 3-well, and 4-well configurations. Next, Caliro. I've noticed that they've repackaged their products from these single-row palettes to the double-row kind. As we can all see, listings have already changed for sets like Earth and Fairy Tale. But I also noticed some sets are no longer on the official Caliro website, like the Galaxy, Magic, and Pharaoh sets, which leads me to believe that Caliro has discontinued those sets. So if those interest you, it might be a good time to pick one up now before they're forever gone. Now for some extra info. This isn't part of the sale, but I found this listing of this particular ceramic palette. It's not under the ceramic palettes category, so I thought I'd let you all know it exists. Sale duration. So this watercolor sale will most likely end next Friday, August 4th, UK time. There's also an ongoing paper sale on Jackson's that will end this Friday, July 28th. So if you're looking to save on shipping or want things shipped in one order, you can take advantage of both sales at the same time. Last point I'd like to make, this is for my US-based viewers. Most of you may have already noticed that Winsor&Newton, Holbein, Rembrandt, Lucas, as well as some other brands, have been removed from Jackson's USA website. Listings also say that they can't ship to America. However, Jackson's does have a US-based warehouse in Maine, so you can still order some stuff provided it's shipping from the US-based warehouse. I recommend shopping from Jackson's UK site for the products you want. People have told me within the past month that they've still been able to order those brands, so give it a try if you'd like. Finally, I'd like to thank everyone who has used and or has continually been using my affiliate links. Thank you so much for your kindness. And for those of you who would like to support this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate links below. Thank you! As always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Happy shopping!